Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I am pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing one of our brand new Dell Rugged clamshell devices. This is going to be the Dell Pro Rugged 13. This is a fully rugged device, IP65 rated. We are one of the only tier 1 vendors out there that do have a full-blown rugged lineup. We got clamshells, tablets. Today, we are going to be looking at one of our brand new 13-inch fully rugged devices, IP65 rated. Let's jump in. So let's cut the seal. Pop it open. Super excited. Oh boy. So this will be the Dell Pro Rugged 13. So it is going to be a fully rugged device. Oh baby. Let's pop the seal. Now, your units would come with regulatory safety information, probably a pamphlet, as well as the power adapter. Mine over here came with the unit, and let's take a quick look. So this would be the 13-inch fully rugged device. You'll see that we do have a bunch of connectivity, and I'll walk you through that in just a few moments. Let's continue taking a look. Pretty sweet. You will see the Dell logo on the front has changed. A lot of optimization from a sustainability perspective. Really slick. You will see that it does have that new Copilot key. So in the era of AI PCs, your Dell Pro Rugged 13 is going to have that CPU, GPU, and NPU. So all powered by Intel's Meteor Lake Core Ultra Series 1. You are going to love the fact that we have both the U series and H series processors with dual channel memory and the H series processor. You're also going to see discrete graphics. So from a front of screen experience, you're going to see a full HD 1400 nits, so perfect for outdoor readability. You're going to see a lot of innovation, whether it's from a connectivity standpoint, going up to Wi-Fi 7, you're going to see 5G capabilities. We've really optimized some of the technology in here. So this generation, you're going to see cold boot temperatures going all the way down to -20. So when you think about, that's -20 degrees Celsius. So if you think about the climate that I'm in up here in Canada, this is perfect. It is going to be IP65 drop tested from 6 feet, so perfect for all work conditions. All right, so from a port perspective, let's get these all opened up. You will see Thunderbolt port, your 2 USB Type A's, your universal audio jack, flipping it around. Another Thunderbolt port over here. This would be your SD card reader or a SIM card. Over here is your smart card reader. And then if I flip it around on the back, you're gonna see your USB Type A, RJ45. That is gonna be your serial port and HDMI port. So slew of connectivity, rubberized bumpers. Not only that, you do have your stylus here. So if you did need to write a quick note on the screen, this is a passive stylus that is there at your fingertips. Pretty awesome. So cool thing about rugged devices, you do have your hot swappable batteries. So let's pop open one. So this does have the 53.5 watt hour battery over here. Pop that in. You do have two hot swappable batteries. So again, popping that out. We do have a brand new battery charger for these that are also launching. So if you did want to charge a slew of these batteries, you can do two at a time outside of the device. So if you're popping them in and out on shift changes and things like that, you're able to do that. You will see you do have the pogo pins. So if you are using vehicle docking, perhaps through the partnership that we have with Havis, Gamber Johnson, PMT, you do have your antenna pass-throughs that you'll be able to do. So I've got the Dell Pro Rugged 13. This is the RA13250 loaded. Make sure you check out Rugged Control Center. It's a free tool that we have where you're able to set up shortcuts, configure your pass-through if you are using vehicle docking, take a look at some quick information, whether it's battery life, device info, hardware features. You have a lot of choice right at your fingertips there. You can set programs, you can toggle some of the feature lift and things like that. This does have the NPU, so you're able to take advantage of some of the latest capabilities and applications that have code written for that NPU. Windows Studio effects if you're doing a lot of audio video conferencing, background blur, eye gaze correction and things like that. There's a ton of choice and a ton of options. So with that, this is the Dell Pro Rugged 13. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing as well as the overview. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care.